Good day again. Like I promised you, I choose a parabola to illustrate or to demonstrate on how the transformations works. We have f of x is equals to x squared minus 2x minus 3. So I have drawn this graph here. To draw this graph, you need the x-intercepts, the turning points, and the y-intercepts. In the previous videos, I showed you how to do that. So yeah, let's get straight into it. This is how the graph of f of x looks like. So what will f of negative x look like? So we'll compare the new function to this original function here. So let's put this aside here. So I did f of negative x. Where there is x, I substituted a negative x, and then I solved the equation there. So it was x squared minus 2x minus 3. So where there is x, I substituted it as negative x. So the new equation is this of f of negative x. So to draw the function, you can go ahead, find the x and y intercepts, the turning points, and then you sketch it. So the new graph looks like this. As I mentioned in the previous video, f of negative x means that we are reflecting the original graph across the or about the y-axis. So look at the difference there. You can tell the difference between these two functions here. So this we took this here and we reflected it about the y-axis. So you can see that the coordinates of the x-axis swept there. So yeah, you can tell the difference here. So you can see all the x values changed, but the y values remained the way they are. Here we had positive, in the original function we had positive 1, and here we have negative 1. We had positive 3, here we had negative 3. We had negative 1, here we have positive 1, but all the y values remain the same. Yeah, this is what it means. We reflected this about the line of y-axis. So we just took this and did this just like that, and yeah, we are done with this. So what does negative f of x, or what will negative f of x look like? Excuse me. So negative f of x, I did negative f of x here, so I multiplied everything by negative 1, so I get this new equation here. You can go ahead, find the x-intercept, the y-intercept, the turning point. I showed you how to do that in the previous videos. And yeah, this is it. This is how it will look like. So we reflected this about the x-axis. So you can see here, just took this and flipped it along the x-axis like this here. Let's spot the differences. We can see that all the x values remain the same, but the y values changed. So when we do negative f of x, the y value stays the same, and the x values, the x value stays the same and the y values change. When we do f of negative x, the x values change and the y values remain the same. So please note this difference here. And in the next video, I will show you what f of x plus t means, f of x minus t do on this function here. So I'll see you in the next video.